Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hello, friends. Welcome back to our easy English lesson. I'm Jimmy, your friendly English coach today.
And I'm James. We're happy you're here with us. Today, we will talk about feelings, how to describe emotions in English.
We will speak slowly and clearly. We will use short sentences and repeat useful phrases.
There is a free PDF in the description. You can read the script, learn the words, and do small exercises.
If this lesson helps you, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's begin and feel confident speaking English.
First, listen to a short story about feelings in a day. This morning, I feel happy. At noon, I feel a little tired. In the evening, I feel calm.
Now some common words. Repeat after us. Happy,
Sad,
tired,
excited,
calm,
nervous,
angry,
scared,
relaxed,
bored.
good job. Now, short sentences. Repeat.
I am happy.
I feel sad.
I am tired.
I feel excited.
I am calm.
2 easy patterns to remember. I am plus feeling. I feel plus feeling.
How to ask about feelings. How are you? How do you feel? How are you feeling today?
Answers can be simple. I'm good. I'm fine. I feel happy. I feel a little tired.
Your turn now. Say one sentence. I feel great. Clear voice, good speaking.
Make it longer with time words. This morning, I feel happy. Tonight, I feel tired.
Make it stronger with a little or very. I feel a little nervous. I feel very excited.
Listen and repeat. Slowly. I feel happy today. I feel a little tired this afternoon. I am calm now. I feel excited about the weekend.
Excellent. Now let's give reasons using because. I feel plus feeling plus because plus reason.
Listen to this small story. I feel excited because I will meet my friend. I feel tired because I slept late. I feel calm because I took a short walk.
Repeat some useful lines. I feel happy because I finished my work. I feel nervous because I have a test. I feel relaxed because I listened to music.
Your turn. Say, I feel blank because blank. Great. That sounds natural.
Add time and place to sound more real. I feel happy this morning because I exercised. I feel relaxed at home because it is quiet.
Add strength to say how strong you are. I feel a little worried because I am late. I feel very proud because I helped my friend.
Repeat again, slowly. I feel excited because it is my birthday. I feel tired because I worked all day. I feel calm because I took deep breaths.
Now let's learn short daily phrases people use for feelings. Repeat after me. I'm in a good mood.
I'm in a bad mood.
I'm a bit down.
I'm stressed out.
I'm over the moon.
I'm worried about the exam.
I'm proud of you.
Add a reason to make your sentence longer. I'm in a good mood because I slept well. I'm worried about the exam tomorrow. I'm proud of you for practicing English.
Let's practice a small conversation. Listen first. Jimmy, how are you feeling today? James, I'm a bit tired, but I'm okay. Jimmy, why are you tired? James, because I slept late.
Now repeat with us. How are you feeling today? I'm a bit tired, but I'm okay. Why are you tired? Because I slept late.
Great job. Now, polite check-in phrases. Are you okay? What's wrong? Do you want to talk?
Supportive answers. I'm fine, thanks. I'm not okay today. I feel a little sad. I need some rest.
Helpful replies to support someone. I'm here for you. Take a break. Let's talk. You can do it.
Practice with us now. Are you okay? I'm a little stressed. I'm here for you. Thank you.
Nice work. Now, a longer dialogue about a normal morning. Listen first. Jimmy. Good morning, James. How are you feeling today? James. I'm a bit tired, but I'm okay. I slept late last night. Jimmy. I feel happy today. I had a quick breakfast, a banana, and a short walk.
Nice. Why do you feel happy?
I feel happy because the weather is sunny and I finished my work early.
That's great. I think I'll feel better after coffee.
Coffee helps me feel awake. Tea helps me feel calm.
What helps you feel calm the most?
I feel calm when I breathe slowly and listen to soft music.
I will try that. Thanks. Your turn now. Say 3 lines. I feel blank today. I feel blank because blank. I feel blank when I blank.
Excellent. Now a school or work situation. Listen first. James. Hey, Jimmy. How are you feeling after your class? Jimmy. I feel proud. My students tried hard today. James. That's wonderful. I feel a bit stressed. I have a meeting in 1 hour.
Why do you feel stressed?
Because I must present a report, and I am not ready yet.
Make a short list. First point, second point, third point. Lists help me feel organized.
Good idea. I already feel calmer. Now, repeat parts with me. I feel proud. I feel a bit stressed. I am not ready yet. I feel calmer now.
How are you feeling after work?
I feel stressed because I had many tasks.
What helps you feel calm?
A short walk helps me feel calm. Now a weekend feelings story. Listen first.
How did you feel over the weekend?
On Saturday, I felt excited because I met my friend. On Sunday, I felt relaxed because I stayed at home.
I felt joyful on Saturday because I went to the park. On Sunday night, I felt a little nervous about Monday.
What helps you when you feel nervous?
I write a plan for Monday. Then I feel calm.
Great tip. I'll try that too. Make your own. On Saturday, I felt blank because blank. On Sunday, I felt blank because blank. When I feel nervous, I blank, so I feel calm. Nice work.
Pronunciation time. Stress the feeling word. I feel tired. I feel excited. I feel calm.
Linking words to sound smooth. I'm a bit tired. I feel a little nervous. I am very happy. Contrast to clear meaning. I feel calm now, not nervous.
Repeat after me slowly. I feel very happy. I feel a little worried. I feel calm now.
Now, let's do a small listening quiz. Listen and answer. Story 1. I had a long day. I feel exhausted. I will take a shower and sleep early. Question. How does the person feel? Answer. Exhausted.
Story 2. I passed my exam today. I am over the moon. What is the feeling? Answer. Very happy.
Story 3. It is loud and crowded here. I feel overwhelmed. Question. Why does the person feel that way? Answer. Because it is loud and crowded.
Great listening. Now a practice drill for fluency. Repeat each 3 times. I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel tired. I feel calm now. I feel calm now. I feel calm now.
Now add reasons. I feel happy because I learned something new. I feel tired because I worked hard. I feel calm because I took deep breaths.
Let's practice asking for support and giving support. Ask, are you okay? Do you want to talk? Reply, I'm a bit down today. Support, I'm here for you. You can do it.
Now let's put it together. A. Are you okay? B. I'm a bit down today. A. I'm here for you. B. Thank you. I feel better now.
Simple daily phrases with feelings. I'm in a good mood today. I'm in a bad mood this morning. I'm a little stressed before my meeting. I'm so proud of you for practicing English.
More feeling words to grow your vocabulary. Grateful, lonely, surprised, hopeful, confident, confused. Repeat. I feel grateful. I feel lonely sometimes. I feel surprised by the news. I feel hopeful about my future. I feel confident today. I feel confused by this problem.
Make short examples. I feel grateful because my friend helped me. I feel lonely when I stay home all day. I feel hopeful when I make a plan.
Now a friendly cafe scene. Listen first.
James, the cafe is very busy. How do you feel?
I feel overwhelmed. It is loud and crowded.
Let's sit by the window. It is quieter there.
Good idea. I already feel calmer.
What drink helps you relax?
Herbal tea helps me relax. What about you?
Warm milk helps me sleep. Tea helps me focus.
I will order tea. Thanks for the help.
Practice with because and when. I feel blank because it is blank. I feel blank when I blank. Examples. I feel overwhelmed because it is crowded. I feel calm when I sit by the window.
Confidence drill. Repeat with strength words. I feel a little nervous. I feel very happy. I feel a bit tired. I feel super excited.
Now mix time, place, and reason. This morning at home, I feel calm because I did stretching. This night at work,
I feel tired because I stayed late.
Great. Let's do a mini storytelling activity. Fill in the blanks. Today, I feel blank because blank. I will blank to feel better. Say it now. Excellent.
Another short story to repeat. I felt worried yesterday. I had an interview. I wrote my answers and practiced. Today, I feel confident. I will sleep early and drink water.
Repeat after me. I felt worried yesterday. I feel confident today. I will sleep early tonight.
Quick summary patterns for your notebook. I am plus feeling. I feel plus feeling. I feel plus feeling because reason. I feel plus feeling when I action. I'm in a good mood or bad mood. Are you okay? I'm here for you.
Now let's breathe for 5 seconds together. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. How do you feel now? Say one sentence out loud.
You are doing amazing. Your English is growing. Keep speaking, keep smiling, keep learning.
Please download the free PDF in the description. Use the vocabulary list and try the small quiz.
Before we end, here is our community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Share your answer in the comments. One simple sentence is perfect.
If this lesson helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Invite a friend to practice with you.
Remember, your feelings matter, and your English voice matters too. Practice a little every day, and you will feel more confident.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you next time, friends.